This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Müllermilch Shake Sunny Strawberry flavor. I have taken a look at some of these Müllermilch shakes before, but not on video. So today I think this is the first shake version of the Müllermilch on this channel, at least according to my Google Docs, Google Sheets, fake Excel sheet, yes. Reorganized all of the fake Excel sheets in the last couple of weeks, and yeah, I think this is the first shake version of the Müllermilch in there. Sunny strawberry flavor, yeah, sounds very refreshing, very summer-like, and this is one of these special 5 times 50,000 euro bottles where you can allegedly open up the bottle, and 5 of all of them, how many there are I don't know, have got a little mooing bottle cap thingy in them, and then if you exchange that, if you give that to Müller, then you get 50,000 euros allegedly. So I don't think I'm going to get this, but if you did, what would you do with 50,000 euros? At this point, I think I would just open up a Neo broker account and put this into ETFs. That's how much of an interesting person I am. But I'm scared of the future. Okay, pause if you want to take a look at the ingredients list right there and the nutrition table right here. 400 milliliters are in here, which is a shame because when you look at this, I would have expected this to be 500 milliliters. Anyway, let us shake this because it's a shake. You're supposed to shake all of these drinks, so yeah, how much shake is there? Is shake just a euphemism for more water and sugar in one of these drinks? Maybe it is, I don't know. Maybe this is the reason why it feels very shaky, summery and more refreshing. Let's see. Let's see if we get 50,000 euros for this. That would be a nice video. Open it up. Nah, no mooing, unfortunately. No mooing at all. Yeah, let's zoom in on that. Great, nothing too exciting about that. We've got a light pinkish, almost, it's got a reddish, almost orangish hue to it as well. Smells very much like strawberry milk. Let's pour some into the glass here. Looks alright. I have shaken it well, it seems. You can see all sorts of bubbles throughout the drink. Looks wise it's fine, scent wise it's fine, consistency wise, by the looks of it, it seems to be fine as well. Let's go for a taste test. Very nice. It's sweet, it's shaky, taste of strawberry. Not too artificial. It is substantially more watery in flavor than the regular Müllermilch, I would say. At least it feels like that. It is, however, also, it feels more refreshing, and it actually feels less sugary, just more watery. Which on a hot day might be a good thing. No big aftertaste. No, it's very nice. Very nice. Yeah, it's got a decent strawberry flavor to it. Feels a bit more shallow, flavor-wise, than some of these more classic strawberry milks do. Back in primary school, there was this milk service, so you could sign up. Oh yeah, I guess your parents have to sign you up for getting milk, flavored milk during the school day. A few times I had some milk as well, which was fantastic. I think I usually had the vanilla milk, but you could also get regular milk, like non-flavored milk and chocolate milk and strawberry milk, but I really do like strawberry milk. It's very nice. Yeah, scent-wise, flavor-wise, color-wise, consistency-wise, this is on point. Let us take a sip from the bottle as well. It's very good. I have to say that it does taste better actually from the glass. some reason it feels like there is some aftertaste when I drink this from the bottle. I don't know why. It's just me. I'm being stupid, but yeah. Overall, flavor-wise, this is quite alright. Something I do not like about this packaging is the bottle cap here, because what they do nowadays to save on packaging material is to make like honeycomb structures in these lids of the bottles. And the problem is quite a bit of milk is being caught there. And when you drink it and hold it like this, you see how this sort of moves to the bottom here. It all pools down here. And if you hold it over you to get the last sip out of this thing, maybe make sure that you are using all of the stuff you have paid for. I think that I'm not alone in having experienced a bit of drippage from these bottles, which makes it a bit uncomfortable to actually consume them out on the go, especially because if you want to have this as a refreshing beverage, strolling around the city maybe, you might not have a change of clothes with you, so that's a bit annoying. Usually just taking this off entirely is a good thing, and here on this occasion it does separate nicely, so you can actually drink from this without having these things poking into your eyes or somewhere else in your face. But some of these bottles, they can be a bit of a pain in the bottom. But yeah, this is one big critique about these bottles, but if you tear it off, it's fine. Apart from that, I think it's alright. It's not perfect. Yeah, there is a hint of an aftertaste, and it doesn't feel like 100% fantastically natural. Not the best strawberry milk I've ever had, but certainly very nice and refreshing on a hot summer day. If you get this from the fridge at the supermarket, out and about on the go. And wouldn't it be nice to have the thing mooing at you in exchange for 50,000 euros? Yes. Yeah, I think I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. No review sheet today. I think an 8 out of 10 is covering things here nicely. And yeah, if you've had this before, if you have had any others of these, let me know in the comment section what you thought about them. And also if you have had the opportunity to have this thing moo at you. Anyway, if you've got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it on the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then,